I could find no words with which to respond, but I left the children's cabin determined to fight the sea with everything I had. So, when his son said to him, "We are not afraid of dying," then the writer was not having words to respond. How to respond to his son? He had no words at all. Okay, but he determined himself to fight the storm. He determined to save his family now. उसने सोचा कि अब किसी भी हालत में मुझे अपने परिवार को बचाना है, इस स्टॉर्म से, इस तूफान से लड़ना है. To protect the weakened starboard side, I decided to heave to with the undamaged porthole facing the oncoming waves, using an improvised sea anchor of heavy nylon rope and two 22-liter plastic barrels of paraffin. To protect the starboard side, the writer decided something. He thought to stop the boat now. Okay, and to stop the boat, what did he use? He used 22 liters plastic barrel of paraffin and heavy rope. Okay, improvised sea anchor. Okay, and he used heavy ropes, nylon ropes, and 22-liter प्लास्टिक बैरल्स ऑफ पैराफिन. बोट को रोकने के लिए उन्होंने 22 लीटर वाले उनके पास पैराफिन के बैरल्स थे, उसका यूज किया एंकर के लिए, और हैवी नायलन का रस्सी था उनके पास, उसको उन्होंने यूज किया एंकर करने के लिए. That evening, Mary and I sat together holding hands as the motion of the ship brought more and more water in through the broken planks. We both felt the end was very near. That evening, the author and his wife Mary, they sat together holding each other's hand, and they thought that the end was near because of the motion of the boat, so much of water coming into the boat. उस शाम वो लेखक अपने पत्नी मैरी के साथ बैठे हुए, उनके हाथ को पकड़े हुए थे, दोनों एक दूसरे का हाथ पकड़े हुए थे, और वो विचार कर रहे थे कि उनका अंतिम समय निकट आ रहा है, क्योंकि बहुत सारा पानी बोट के अंदर घुस रहा था. But Wave Walker rode out the storm, and by the morning of January 6, with the wind easing, I tried to get a reading on the sextant. So, even if it was a tough time for the boat to survive, but the boat survived till 6th January morning. Okay. And in the morning of 6th January, the writer, he tried to find out things now. He took out sextant and he used it. Sextant means instrument for measuring angles and distance. ऐसा यंत्र जिससे कोण या दूरी को नापा जाता है. He used that and he tried to find out where they were exactly. Back in the chart room, I worked on wind speeds, change, of course, drift and current in an effort to calculate our position. And he went back to chart room and tried to find out their position, where exactly the ship, where exactly the boat was. They tried to find out. He tried to find out. The best I could determine was that we were somewhere in 150,000 kilometers of ocean looking for a 65-kilometer wide island. So all he could find out, all he could gather was they were in a in an ocean of 150,000 kilometer. Okay, 150,000 kilometer sea, and they were looking for a 65-kilometer wide island. सब चीज जांच करने के बाद उनको पता चला कि वो एक 150,000 किलोमीटर चौड़े एक महासागर के अंदर वो एक 65 किलोमीटर चौड़े द्वीप को ढूंढ रहे थे, ऐसा उन्हें पता चला. While I was thinking, Sue, moving painfully, joined me. जब लेखक ये सब विचार कर रहे थे, सू उनके पास आती है. The left side of her head was now very swollen and her blackened eyes narrowed to slit. और उसके लेफ्ट साइड का जो हेड है आंख के ऊपर सूजा हुआ था और उसका आंख बिल्कुल छोटा हो गया था. She gave me a card she had made, and the girl had prepared a card. She had made a card which she handed over to her father. On the front, she had drawn caricatures of Mary and me with the words. In front of the card, she had made caricatures. उसने cartoons बनाए थे अपने मम्मी पापा के. And she has written something inside. Here are some funny people. Did they make you laugh? And she was written inside. Here are some funny people. ये कुछ मजेदार लोग हैं. Did they make you laugh? क्या उनको देखकर आपको हंसी आया? I laughed a lot as well. And मैंने इसको देखकर बहुत हंसा. Inside was a message. There was a message inside. Oh, how I love you both. She has written, how I love you both. So this card is to say thank you and let's hope for the best. That is why I am giving you the card to say a thanks to you and hope for the best. हम आशा करते हैं कि सब कुछ ठीक हो जाए. Somehow we had to make it. किसी भी तरीके से हमें इससे लड़कर जीतना है.